Hello kids. Let's learn some new action verbs today. Ready? Listen carefully and repeat. Open. Open a door. Close. Close the window. Fly. Fly a kite. Skip. Skip a rope. Cook. Cook a meal. Ask. Ask a question. Hide. Hide behind a tree. Carry. Carry a box. Laugh. Laugh loudly. Cry. Cry a lot. Well done. See you next time. Bye.